How to create photo frame in Canva. In this video, we're going to be talking about photo frames and how you're going to create it easily in Canva. So to do this, what you are going to be doing is you're going to come over to your elements and you're going to choose frame. Okay. Now, once you write in frame, you're going to search it up and you have different shapes of frames. Okay. So let's say I'm going to go with a square frame right here. And let's say I want to add this picture into this frame. So what you can do is go into your elements or go into your uploads, choose any image that you want to add into the frame, and what you're going to do is you're going to hover that image into this. All right, so let's say we're going to go with a certain image for this car dealership, and once you've chosen the actual proper image, so let's say I want to add this car like this, and look at that, that adds it into the frame. Or we can add this like that, or we can add this like that. So just choose a proper image, like this one matches pretty well into the frame, just like that. And that is how you can create photo frames in Canva. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.